Jai Swaminarayan to all students. As you know, in last video, we have discussed about nutrition like autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, photosynthesis and etc. In this video, we are going to discuss about nutrition in human being. As you know, humans can eat plant-based food as well as animal-based food. So, being more complex, humans have a very complicated nutrition system. The digestive system has an alimentary canal and associated digestive glands which together function to nourish the body. Next, alimentary canal. You can see in the diagram, alimentary canal in human is a long tube of varying diameter. It starts with the mouth, then esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. You can see clearly in the diagram. These all are specialized to perform different special function. Now, first mouth. It is the opening of the alimentary canal and helps in ingestion of food. Food has to be processed to generate particles which are small and of the same texture. This is achieved by crushing the food with our teeth, which is present in our mouth. Since the lining of the canal is soft, the food is also weighted to make its passage smooth, and this is happened by the saliva secreted by the salivary gland, which is also present in our mouth. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary enzyme. It is very important. Why? Because it breaks down starch, which is complex molecule, and to give sugar. The food is mixed thoroughly with saliva and moved around the mouth while chewing by the muscular tongue. Now next is stomach. So from the mouth, the food is taken to the stomach through the food pipe. We can say esophagus also. The stomach diagram you can see in the slide. The muscular walls of the stomach help in mixing the food thoroughly with more digestive juices. These digestion functions are taken care of by the gastric glands present in the wall of the stomach. This release, the wall of the stomach release hydrochloric acid, a protein digesting enzyme called pepsin and mucus. This is very important for digestion. Let's see the function of it. What is the function of HCl? That is hydrochloric acid. It creates an acidic medium to kill harmful bacteria, because we know that in our stomach some harmful bacteria are also present. So HCl creates an acidic medium to kill this harmful bacteria and helps in partial digestion of protein. Pepsin breakdown of protein into smaller amino acid, and mucus, it creates the protecting layer. It protects the inner lining of the stomach from the acid under normal condition and also helps in lubrication of food masses in order to facilitate movement within the stomach. Now student, you may heard about acidity in adults. You know what is acidity? It is a very common condition affecting many Indians. This condition is characterized by heartburn felt around the lower chest area, which is caused by the stomach acid flowing back up into the food pipe, that is esophagus. So it is acidity. The common causes are unhealthy eating habits and poor lifestyle choices. So it is the reason behind this acidity. Now, digestion in small intestine. This is the longest part of the alimentary canal, which is fitted into a compact space because of extensive coiling. You can see in the diagram. In human, the small intestine is about 6 meters long. It is the site of the complete digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. It receives the secretion of the liver and pancreas for this purpose. Liver and pancreas also play a crucial role in our digestion. What is the role of the liver? Liver secretes bile juice. You know, the food coming from the stomach, as you know, it is acidic because of hydrochloric acid, and it has to be made alkaline for pancreatic enzyme action. So, bile juice from the liver accomplishes this in addition to action on fat. Fats are present in the intestine in the form of large globules which make it difficult for enzyme action. So, bile salt breaks them down into smaller globules, increasing the efficiency of enzyme action. It is very similar to emulsifying action of the soap. Next is role of pancreas. The pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which contains enzyme like trypsin for digesting protein and lipase for breaking down emulsified fats. The wall of the small intestine contains gland which secrete intestinal juice. The enzyme present in it finally convert the protein into amino acid, complex carbohydrate into glucose, and fats into fatty acid and glycerol. The digested food is taken up by the walls of the intestine. The inner lining of the small intestine has numerous finger-like projection called villi, which increases the surface area for absorption. The villi are richly supplied with blood vessels which take the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body, where it is utilized for obtaining energy, building up new tissue and the repair of old tissue, as you know, the main function of this nutrition. Next is digestion in large intestine. In humans, large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. The unabsorbed food is sent into the large intestine where more villi absorb water from this material, and last, the rest of the material is removed from the body via the anus. The exit of the waste material is regulated by the anal sphincter. So student, this is about nutrition in human being. It is very important question for your board exam also. So please prepare it very rightly. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.